Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Take Travel and Food Stop. Hope you have seen part 1, 2 and 3 of Statue of Unity India, all the shots and US and Mexico videos. Today, let's go for jungle safari at SOU. Today is day 2. We have come here again at Shishtabhavan and today we are going to cover jungle safari and children nutrition park. Sardar Patel Zoological Park is spread across 375 acres and it has 186 species of animals, birds and reptiles from India, Africa, Australia and America. It has over 1100 animals and birds. So we can say this is one of the biggest conservation project and one of the biggest jungle safari. Just right in front of the entrance is the ticket gate, but before going to ticket gate, on the left and right there are these glass galleries, so don't forget to check them out. Look at this iguana. This is the native of Mexico. In my shorts video, 7 reasons to visit this jungle safari, you must have seen that this whole park can be accessed via a golf cart or a battery car, which is free of cost. There is no extra cost for it, so you don't have to walk. So even if you have senior citizens, you can bring them in. This is the ticket counter and this is the golf cart. Ticket price for adults is just 200 rupees and for children is 125, which is nothing as compared to foreign zoos. I had paid almost 3 to 4,000 for San Diego Zoo in 2013. After entering, there is this little resting area and I love jungle safaris. So let's begin with this one. First section is abode of carnivores. Carnivore animals meaning lion, tiger, leopards. This is a site map, and in jungle safari always follow the rules as asked. Let's begin with leopards. Oh, a panther is coming up. He is looking at me like a piece of meat. No sir, thank you, I am vegetarian. My flesh and blood, there is just vegetables which will not be tasty for you. And there are 2 other leopards. One leopard is sleeping. There are 2 leopards and a panther. Serval cats. These are baby serval cats. Fully grown serval cats are sisters of leopards. They are just wild. King of the jungle. I can see 2 lions, but as it's so hot, they are resting there. Majestic lion. Could not spot the tigers immediately, and here is a white tiger resting. So I waited for some time and looked at this majestic animal. What a day. Next stop is Serpentium House. तो कई आस्तीन के सांपों ने हमको डसा है और मगरमच्छ के आंसू भी हमने देखे, फिर भी हम आ गए इनको देखने. Dinosaur.
2 है.
We just saw rhinoceros. It was huge. Next section is Indian aviary. These are Indian birds, of course, parrots, and these are the geodesic domes, which are like engineering marvel. Right in front is the kingfisher. These are all kingfishers. This is an open encounter with the birds, just like in San Diego Zoo. There are so many types of ducks, and that's a 4-foot kingfisher which has just flied in. All these birds are 2 feet, 3 feet in height and length. When they fly, it's beautiful to see, to watch them. There are different types of ducks, and all these trees are food for different kinds of birds. This is a must visit attraction at Statue of Unity. If you have not subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe and hit bell for such world's unique content. If you have not seen other videos of different attractions at Statue of Unity and complete guide for Statue of Unity, then go watch the videos on channel. Those are already uploaded. This one has 2 feet legs. Next is deer section. These are white deers, which are obviously exotic deers, and then there are Indian deers as well, like spotted, striped. There are so many deers and antelopes. They have beautiful horns. Next section is hippopotamus, but as it's hot, it's inside only, inside the water. These are baby orangutans. They are being fed. South American coatis. I have a very special memory of them. These are simple coatis, but when I was on a trek in Chupinque National Park in Monterey, a raccoon came up face to face. We just froze and backed off to let it pass, so we didn't want any interaction. We didn't even know what this 2-3 feet cute and dangerously looking animal was, whether it was going to take off our head, face, or jump on our shoulders, God knows what. But it didn't leave, and it kept following a little bit, and then it directly came into my feet and looking very kindly. Then I just sat a feet away from the raccoon and I just threw him some food in other direction, and I even touched the raccoon. I didn't know that raccoons carry rabies, but I think as I had become habitual to few barking dogs in life, I didn't catch rabies that day. This monkey is quite an attraction. Next section is exotic aviary. Here there are all the exotic birds. As soon as we enter, we can see so many macaws are there. This is a African crowned crane. Now I hope I get to go to Africa one day for jungle safari. And as I had mentioned in shorts video, this is India's largest geodesic dome, which is a engineering marvel, and it is world's biggest bird aviary dome, geodesic dome. These grey parrots are also from Africa. There are so many swans here in the lake. When you are in North America, like in USA and Mexico, near every water body you can easily find ducks and swans, but it's not so regular for us here. It's nice to see different varieties, and all these experiences just for 200 rupees. Oh, this is totally worth it. San Diego Zoo is world's one of the most renowned zoos, as well as Chapultepec Zoo in Mexico. I have been to both of these zoos, and I'm not comparing, but this jungle safari at Sardar Patel Zoological Park is equally good. It is equally impressive. So it is something not to be missed. And there is one animal which is missing, which is one of our favorite animals. If you can think of that animal, then do let me know in comments which animal is missing here. Guys, if you like this video, share it with everyone so that it can reach 50,000 views. Next we'll be seeing the statue itself, and these are the videos which are already uploaded: complete guide, maze garden, Shiv Tanda water laser show, and the Statue of Unity. So guys, don't forget to share and hit like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.